What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. This is Donna Be Live YouTube and Hubby and I.
Twist.
Alright, so today topic, we're just going to go off the bat and like talk about, you know, what how would I feel as a woman, or you know, why men stare on other women when they have their partners, and you know, kind of elaborate a little bit on that. You know, sometimes you're going out with your partner, with a man or woman, and you know, you even driving and you have your partner in the car. I broke him neck cause him see one big bottom woman I walk past, and you know, we kind of want to elaborate on that because you know, I have Hubby here and perfect person to talk about them topic here.
You want no.
Yeah.
If me would do that, if I saw me stay, or what?
Yeah, me want to know if I saw you steer, if and why make you steer. I mean,
You ever see me stay?
no, but you know, like, me know you steer cause
You ever see me?
me not see you,
So you don't know.
but you
Me have to tell you now.
but you steer. So tell me if you steer.
See, if me stay, you gonna see. Me just look. Me take out my eye. Me just look and take out my eye.
All right, so
Yeah, me stay, you gonna know. You gonna find
so
events.
if
You
me
gonna see.
not in the car, me not there around you, you steer.
Me take a longer look.
So why you look so?
Oh,
Why you look?
why me look?
Yeah, why your expectation when you look? What it give you?
I look me look for you the first time I see you.
Right.
Yeah.
I agree.
So
So that is why you look.
back them time there, yeah. Look to see if that woman they look good and you know.
So
if
when
the outer.
so when you go a party and you see all in the sexy woman them in the party and whatever.
Party? No, I mean, it's a party. Alright, but that's why I always say, you know, no, things that I know now, me can't get caught up in a certain things, no. Back in the days when I was youth,
You caught
in
up.
my teens, late teens, early 20s, yeah.
You get caught up.
Caught up in a way where, me not conscious in my mind. Well, back in them days, the woman never used to, you never really used to have what go on now. You never used to stop. Whatever at them time there.
Right.
Like right now, for me, if you go say I look at a woman in a dance, and the last thing that I do.
Why?
When in a at my mind now, a woman will spend all an hour in front of her mirror, you know.
Yeah.
I fix up, you know, for guy to dance.
Right.
Yeah, so you know much things cover up and hide. You know how much things cover up and hide.
I
You can't even
can't.
share that. So me now as a big man who have so much experience, don't go a party now and see that woman there bling. You gonna make that fly up in my head? Nah. Cause me know. Woman who spend time in front of them just when them done, you don't never know.
You don't know what the dolly them have underneath their
No,
makeup
sir.
there. And
No, sir.
you don't know.
And again, well, when you're back in my time,
Now you make the dolly them come for you in that video, you know.
I use a dolly, you know. You never use a word there. Well, wait, but in my time, you never really have them bully park disguise there, and people used to just
It's true.
more natural.
More natural
Back in
for
them
sure.
time, so 6.5 doesn't matter. But no, you want to see the woman natural. Like when you see her,
Right.
that's one of the thing. That's one of the thing where, you know,
Right.
natural. I don't want to see no.
Fandangles.
We don't stop a woman from do it, you know. But man, we just have to say,
No overdo it.
yeah, what gonna get me attracted at the first sight? Looks and say, okay, a woman there. Even though me not really look, me not look nobody now, but me will look on a woman and say, yeah, that woman they look good.
Okay.
To myself. And
Yeah.
if you have somebody there that will me brethren or bona fide brethren,
Yeah, can
you
you
say that woman
man?
they look good.
I mean, I feel no way about that.
Cause you not know. You not hear, you not
I mean,
know.
I know, and even if you're here, because you tell me, that's the thing, you see? Alright, so, certain things, me not really put on my brain. When me just know you're in and me me at 24 years old them time then. Me young. So them look at something there maybe it would have bothered me. But now that we grown and I get to know who you the kind of person you is. Me not make them something that put them something upon my brain for stress me out and them something that drag me down and me look old before time. Me don't want that. You understand?
Yeah, man, the custom man until I run off for the dollar a year and everything.
Me know. You
You
never
know,
do that.
see her natural.
Yeah.
You know, see her natural.
Me know.
Gear all up, gear money. Go on, go there, yeah, man. You don't look good in the house. And she natural, you know.
Yeah.
In the house.
And that
You just want to always see the cover up there.
and that's something what me like about him, guy, about my husband, guys. He's not that kind of person, but me got ear just already, and me say no, me not like them only for ear here, for me head. Me not feel comfortable. I say no man, and she will say no man. Your husband not like seeing a fast here, but when he go out there, he might look for other woman in a fast here though. Yeah, that comment make a ear just
But that
yeah,
woman look good when they fix up themselves, you know.
Yeah.
Them look good. But me never in the house when they fix up themselves. So me don't know what they're behind all of that.
right.
So looking, that not say nothing.
Him go out there, he might
You just say so?
yeah.
Me and I look back up. Me and I.
So you can't make your man tell you everything what you have to do. You hear me? Calm yourself down, please. Calm down.
And I tell me, you just have
Calm
to
down.
please me.
No, and me not do it to please you. Me know say when me have this whole per year per my head, it just make me head look big and me not like it. It just make me head, me just don't like this whole per wig. Me's not a wiggy person and it's whole per falls here per my head. It's just me. Yeah, you don't like it. And it's put on my mouth already. I said, no, my husband don't like them something. But it's not just you, it's me. Me just
You have
don't
some
like
woman,
it.
you know. You have some woman that go out, you know, and spend an hour in front of the mirror and fix up themselves and go out there. And them I get the attention. Man I call to them and I tell them so they look nice.
Right.
And them have the heart to take it literal and make it flip in their head, you know.
Yeah.
And them know say. And
Man,
that's how
yeah,
them look.
Yeah.
Them know say them don't look so. Because if that's it, any one of them see man we are compliment them and want them. Go home with them and sleep with them till the morning.
Yeah.
The man go down at you and she go down and see the man again. Because when the man
Sure.
wake up in the morning and see her home,
Yeah,
she go down and see him again.
it's true.
So me prefer see the worst of the woman first.
The rest.
Then you can put on your wig and do your
Like
whatever.
me barely wear makeup. Me barely. Sometimes I just put a little powder. Sometimes even me I go wedding. One day me I go a graduation and never put a little powder on my face. Me just gone. Cause me just that kind of person that from day one. Hey, the first time I put a makeup on my face I when me that get married, and after that I must say 10 years after that before me put a more makeup on my face. Me just not that kind of person there. That galley something there. No. Me just not that kind of person that will go the extra mile. It's okay, for a woman who wants to do it. But
Your
for
man
me,
said him there with woman already. He live with woman for a year and had and never see her. Her natural ear on her head.
wow.
Never see it, no care what him do.
Me a
Never.
ball
Him say him all go to the hairdresser. She go to the hairdresser and him a go drop off something there at the hairdresser. Him going to her, She know, she knows him I come. And when him going there to her, we come off already, The hairdresser work
She
on
cover
her head,
it up.
She make the hairdresser cover it up.
What?
Yeah, she make the hairdresser cover up her head.
That's
That man carry
insane.
whatever come gear and leave.
Wow.
Him just never, and him not interested. Him not force the issue and demands to say, make me see you without you.
Are you
Him just
crazy?
comfortable with it, sir, and just.
Wow. Oh wait, so that video here is really about, we really want to hear more about this because we never hear that story here before. That video have to be about a woman hiding themselves from their partner. Like, yes, because me would I want to know more about this, would I like to do a follow-up topic on this. We really would I like to have somebody call in and actually,
Find out if them that.
if them know of it or
Yeah.
anything like
Or
this.
if any man We watch a channel
Would I like to talk
stay with a
about it?
woman for so long and never see
Yeah,
her
me
true.
would I like if you don't know somebody will
Never
like
see her
that,
head.
you know, drop it in the comment section. You know, with the window.
Yeah, man, you have man where don't want to see the woman without.
No, sir.
You just
That's
just
crazy.
cuss the woman and tell the woman for what do you hear? You don't look good. You don't see you don't look good. What do you hear? You don't want to see the naturality. You know my woman, if number one, if me I got attracted to a woman, she have to, if she not 100% natural, she have to 70-80% natural.
You see me in a
For the first impression.
you see me in a worst state of my head.
Yeah.
You see me in a worst
When,
state when
first
my
time
hair
I see
fall
it,
out.
first time I see it, you never have on the falls here.
No, me mean like the worst state, like my ear no cream and it peak out, cause you know when the
Okay.
winter come in, it peel patchy.
That's
And-
about now.
and
It's
the-
about like in the beginning, what would I?
Well, when you see
someone,
me-
when I see it for the first time, you did have your natural hair.
Me have a natural hair and me catch it up in a one. Cause me used to cream it at Jamaica and my ear did mostly normally catch up in a one at daytime, just you know,
That's
it
one of the
cream
thing.
and it catch up in a one.
If you did have on falls here, it would not. I mean, I gonna say maybe we wouldn't be together. But that first impression, maybe it
Yeah.
you know, at that point, at that
The
time.
first impression that's sticking on your head.
Yeah, me have to see you. Me have to see where your makeup off before
Yeah.
we could have got. Even if me like you
Never
see
used
in
to
your
wear
falls
falls
here,
here.
I like you in your falls here. We still want to know what they behind that.
I never used to wear false hair like that. Every now and then, my friend Karen used to sew in like a weave in my hair when we are going to party or so, but I was never a false hair person from day one. From my dad back home.
Cause
Now I have a much in week and I not even wear them. I give them, I always give them.
because I covering up here, you know, my things that can hide, they could all have all some sore in the head, they could all full of scab and sore and sitting
Yeah.
there. And you use a week cover to hide it. And then now you have some of the same scab and sitting on your face and you just use makeup cover that.
Yeah. Guys, anyways,
And the woman them supposed to love whosoever invent makeup.
Yeah.
Makeup.
a lot of women do. You know, I
Woman
was
them
watching a
supposed to
video.
love that
I was-
person. They just like
yeah.
how me love and respect the person who invent washing machine.
I was watching a video with this guy, this blogger son, that says she meet this girl on TikTok and at Toronto. And they meet up and go out on a date. And he said when he meet the girl, him shocked comparing to what him see on TikTok and all the videos them that she always posts. Look so nice. And then when he meet up with her, him say, oh my God, him want left from the minute. But him just couldn't. He said he couldn't wait for the date done and the date done, and that is it. So you know, it's so that the boy him just
Yes, I'm glad.
him just
I'm glad for my era.
yeah.
Era when I grew up in, and I'm glad to my old school, my patriotic.
Him
I'm
never
glad for the era when I grew
him
up.
never
in.
go meet her back. Him ghost her.
I'm glad never do online dating and then something and take it serious and say me single or me not have no woman and then look somebody. Me look somebody online.
Yeah.
No sir.
What about
Never
people
do that.
find people?
Me no social media friends like that.
Yeah.
For trust in a social media and put my trust, all of my trust in on the media.
You don't know where you are get.
No. Me,
You know?
the
You
old,
don't know
the
where you
old,
are, yeah.
old fashioned way is the best way.
Yeah. Meet up with the person and just see if
I from a
Randomly.
daily activity.
Yeah,
I go to
randomly.
work or I go to the supermarket or I go somewhere
right.
and meet somebody.
Right.
Yeah, but
You
for
see
the
them in person, you see them flesh, you know what them look like, you know what them height, you know them face. If them smile and then see them teeth and them, you know, you get to see that.
yeah, me can look
Nothing no.
and see what I want to say. And the main thing, okay, yes, it's a woman. I prove it to myself, it's a
Yeah.
woman.
No filter.
Right, but when me there online, you're not sure if it's a woman. That is the
True.
main thing, the first thing. You're not sure if it's a woman you talk to
Yeah.
or
And
communicate
you
with.
build all the communication with that person and when you realize that you're
Waste out your
Voila.
time. Waste out your time, maker.
Mhm.
So me here. Well, true. Because
Wow.
me and whole lot of people talk about it.
Really?
So, no, I'm just, I buy some head, you know. I get some head and it stays head sweet, him. And it stays on the whole in the girl head now, and a week come and have board dead a man. So you put about 4 shots in him.
What?
You hear about it?
No. Mercy God. Alright guys, we'll come to the ending of this video. Anyways, that was the final discussion about this topic. And we would have liked to hear the feedback on our topic. Gonna drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and tell a friend about our channel. We love you guys. Peace, blessings, more love, and prosperity. Okay? Bye.